Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ricky and this my channel is Rickysfoods. And to this video, I'll be showing you my new smoker that I just bought. I'm super excited about this one. I mean, I haven't used it yet and I really love it. So with that being said, guys, let's just get into this video. Alright guys, so this is my new barrel cooker. I just wanted to jump on and do a little quick video of my first impressions of this new cooker. We're also going to do my first burn-in on this new cooker. These are made by Cottongin Smokers, and as you guys can see, it's a beast. I just fell in love when I first saw it. So I've been wanting a drum smoker for the longest. A couple of my buddies have drum smokers, and I was like, you know what, it's time. So when I was searching for drum smokers, I was looking at Gateways, I was looking at Huntsakers and Cottongin. So I did my research and I just fell in love with the Cottongin. To me, it looks better. As far as performance, I don't know yet. I haven't cooked on it, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna do really good. One of the things that sold me on this was that you can add your logo in the front and the door right here. It just looks, to me, it looks super cool. I like that. I like there's a hinge back here also, so we'll talk about that a little bit later. But this is a 55-gallon drum smoker, like I said, by Cottongin Smokers. Matt does a really good job with these. You can get these in custom paint, custom build, and he does a really great job. He has a bunch of pictures on his Instagram of the smokers that he's built, and like I said, it looks really good. So let's go over on some of the features this drum smoker has. So let me get my notes, and so I don't forget things. So first off, it comes with two side handles. It's really easy to move around. It's not that heavy. So and it also comes with the coolant handle in the front for easy access to open and close the barrel. It comes with the top vent or top exhaust over here. Most of the time I'm gonna leave this open, and then I'll control my temperature from the bottom vents. It comes with 3 wheels, 3 casters. It's easy to move around. It's not that heavy to move around, as you can see. Also comes with the front door access, like we talked a little bit earlier. I mean, you can use this if for some reason you run out of fuel, you can just open this up, throw more charcoal in there. If you want to add more smoke flavor, you can throw a couple of chunks of wood in there. It's easy access, so that's a really good feature that I like as well. And it also comes with the heat shield. It comes in 3 pieces. It's really easy to assemble. It has a total of 9 screws. All you have to do is just grab yourself a wrench, you just tighten those up. It's really easy to assemble. It's not that big of a deal. And it also comes with a baffle plate, but I didn't get the baffle plate. I think they forgot to put it in the box in there. I messaged Matt already, so hopefully they can send that to me real soon. It comes with a charcoal basket, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You put your charcoal in there, and in the bottom you can add your tumbleweed or wax cubes or whatever to light that up. It comes with 2 upright intakes, and this is where you're gonna control your temperature. As you leave it right open, I mean, it's gonna be burning hot. And if you want to control the temperatures, I mean, you can close it down to about a 1/4 inch and cook around on a 275, 300, 250. So that's something that I have to get used to. And the more I cook on this, the more better I get with this. It comes with the laser cut Cottongin smoker grate. And this is where you're going to put your meat, your brisket, your tri-tips, whatever you want to cook on. So it looks really good. I like it. So down the line, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make myself a custom-made grate on there with Rickysfoods. It's gonna look awesome. It comes with what they call a tri-level grate system with the rib hanger. And what the tri-level grate system basically means is that it comes with 3 different hinges. So the shorter one is gonna be closer to the top. The mid-level one is gonna be in the middle, and then the longer one is gonna be closer to the fire. So you can adjust how high or how low you want to cook your meats. And for the rib hanger, it's not only for rib hanging. I mean, you can cook ribs, chicken, hang picanha in there. I don't know, you can even hang a brisket if you really want to. And it also comes with a bunch of hooks, so you can use them with whatever you're cooking. It also comes with this holder right here. You can add whatever barbecue you're using. I like to put my smoke for thermometer right here. You can also add your probe you're using, whatever you're using, and that's another cute feature that I like about this. It also comes standard with the probe port. It also comes with the Cottongin temperature gauge. And it's very simple to put on. All you need to do is just put it through the hole and just give it a couple twists and it's on. Also comes with the steel hinge, and once you open this, it stays open. And to close it down, all you need to do is just push it up a little bit and just close down easily like that. So like I said in the beginning, these are powder coated, and Mac gives you a whole bunch of options when it comes to colors, customization. I just wanted a black, so I just got a black barrel with my logo in front. I think it looks pretty sick like that. Alright guys, so that's it for the features that this drum smoker comes with. And when you go to CottongInSmokers.com, Mac gives you 3 options to choose from. This is the Harvester, and this one it's $13.99, and I added my logo on there, so I think for that it was like $150 more. So all we're gonna do now is we're gonna do the burn-in. All we're gonna do is put some cooking oil all around the barrel, the grate, the hinges, and everything, so we can do burn-in. We're gonna keep the temperatures around 350, 300 for about 3 hours, and that's pretty much, guys. So let's go ahead and start doing that right now. Alright guys, so now we're just gonna let the barrel burn out for at least 2 or 3 hours at 350, 300. And then, like I said in the beginning of the video, we just put cooking spray all over the barrel, the cooking grates, the hangers, the hinges, and all that, and just let it burn off. Alright, so hopefully this video helps somebody out there that's considering buying a drum smoker. In the next coming weeks, I'm gonna be cooking on it a lot, so I'll be putting out some content out there. So if you consider what's the first cook on this, you're just gonna have to wait and see. And with that being said, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, ring the bell, and like always, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Ricky out.